Are you suffering from chronic neck or back pain? Maybe you've been told you have a bulging, herniated, or degenerative disc. Have you already tried chiropractors, physical therapists, or medical doctors? Pills, patches, or gadgets from the internet, all with no long-term relief? If so, please pay special attention for the next 30 seconds because this could literally change your life. We'd like to introduce you to a non-surgical, drug-free treatment protocol called laser decompression. It's a combination of Class 4 laser therapy and spinal decompression, and it's helped thousands of back pain patients avoid drugs or surgery and get their life back. Class 4 laser therapy helps to reduce pain, flush out inflammation, and speeds up the healing process. Spinal decompression creates a pumping motion on the injured disc, which helps it absorb water and nutrients from the body, allowing natural healing. This amazing protocol is only available at select healthcare providers around the country. Dr. Cornejo's office in Rialto is one of the select few in the Inland Empire. So click the link below now to see if Dr. Cornejo can help you.